Dear students, now we are going to discuss the solution of state equations. Solution of state equation. We know the state equation x dot t is equal to a x of t plus b u of t. This is called as a state equation. Okay. So now I am considering there is no input. There is no input or excitation. So the equation will become x dot is equal to ax. I am denoting this x dot t as x dot. So x dot is equal to ax. This is called as homogeneous state equation, which is nothing, just there is no input or excitation. That is x dot is equal to ax. Now I am considering a differential equation dx by dt is equal to ax, and rearranging this equation dx by x is equal to a into dt. And now I am going to integrate both sides. So integral of 1 by x into dx will be log x, that is equal to a t plus a constant c. Okay, from this we can get the solution of x, that is x is equal to e raised to at plus c, that is x of t will be equal to e raised to at into e raised to c. Okay, this is the equation for x of t, and I am considering at t is equal to 0 as the initial condition. So x 0 will be equal to e raised to c, that is denoted as x0. So this equation for x of t will be e raised to at into x0. This x0 is called as initial condition. So coming to the state equation, this x of t, same as like this, x of t will become e raised to capital A t into x0. Here this x0 is the initial condition of this homogeneous state equation, and this A is capital letter A, and this is representing a constant matrix. Here we know in state space modeling these constants are matrices. So this capital letter A is representing matrices with constants. And this we know the expansion of e raised to at. So same way this e raised to capital AT is equal to I plus AT plus 1 by 2 factorial into A2. This is A1. This is A2 t square plus 1 by 3 factorial into A3 t cube plus etc. plus 1 by, there is a, I am taking a general term, I factorial into AI t raised to I plus etc. This is just an expansion of e raised to at, we know, and these constants we are taking as A1, A2, A3, etc. Okay, and this e raised to at is called as e raised to at. Term is called as state transition. State transition matrix. This e raised to 8 is state transition matrix. So it is also denoted as e raised to 8 is denoted as phi of t. Okay. So the equation, the solution of the equation, homogeneous state equation will be x of t is equal to a state transition matrix into initial condition of the matrix, initial condition of the state. Okay, this is solution of homogeneous state equation. So homogeneous state equation solution നമ്മൾ ഫൈൻഡ് ഔട്ട് ചെയ്തു. അതിൽ നിന്ന് നമുക്ക് സ്റ്റേറ്റ് ട്രാൻസിഷൻ മെട്രിക്സ് എന്താണെന്ന് മനസ്സിലായിട്ടുണ്ട്. സോ നോൺ ഹോമോജീനിയസ് സ്റ്റേറ്റ് ഇക്വേഷൻ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താണെന്ന് നമുക്കിപ്പോൾ അറിയാം. നോൺ ഹോമോജീനിയസ് സ്റ്റേറ്റ് ഇക്വേഷൻ that is simply a state equation. We can write x dot is equal to ax plus bu. That is the state equation. So input also is present. So we can call it as a non-homogeneous state equation, simply a state equation. So from this I can write x dot minus ax is equal to bu. Okay. And this equation I am multiplying equation 1 with state transition, not state transition matrix, e raised to minus 80. e raised to minus 80 വെച്ച് ഞാൻ ഇക്വേഷൻ നമ്പർ 1 മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുകയാണ്. മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്ത് കഴിയുമ്പോൾ വി ക്യാൻ റൈറ്റ് ഇ റേസ് ടു മൈനസ് 80 ഇൻറ്റു എക്സ് ഡോട്ട് മൈനസ് ഇ റേസ് ടു മൈനസ് 80 എക്സ് ഇസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു ഇ റേസ് ടു മൈനസ് 80 ഇൻറ്റു ബി യു. ഓക്കെ, ദി സെയിം ഇക്വേഷൻ ഐ ക്യാൻ റൈറ്റ് ആസ്, ഒന്ന് റീഅറേഞ്ച് ചെയ്യുകയാണ് റിസൾട്ടിലേക്ക് എത്തിക്കുന്നതിന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ട്. ഇ റേസ് ടു മൈനസ് 80 എക്സ് ഡോട്ട് പ്ലസ് ഇ റേസ് ടു മൈനസ് 80 ഇൻറ്റു മൈനസ് എ എക്സ് ഇസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു ഇ റേസ് ടു മൈനസ് 80 ബി യു. Okay, and this is the result of d by dt e raised to minus 80 into x. ഇതിൻ്റെ റിസൾട്ടാണ് ഇത് അല്ലേ, നമ്മൾ പ്രോഡക്റ്റ് റൂൾ എന്നൊക്കെ പഠിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. സോ ഡി ബൈ ഡി ടി ഇൻറ്റു ഇ റേസ്റ്റ് മൈനസ് 80 എക്സ് ഓഫ് ടി എന്ന് എഴുതാം ഈ ഒരു ടേമിന് പകരമായിട്ട്. So this will be equal to e raised to minus 80 bu. Okay, so വീണ്ടും ഞാൻ ഇതിനെ d ഇൻറ്റു ഇ റേസ് ടു മൈനസ് 80 എക്സ് ഓഫ് ടി ഇസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു ഇ റേസ് ടു മൈനസ് 80 ബി യു ഡി ടി. ഞാനിത് റീഅറേഞ്ച് ചെയ്ത് എഴുതുകയാണ് ചെയ്തത്. സോ ഇൻ്റഗ്രേറ്റ് ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഇൻ്റഗ്രേറ്റിംഗ് ഇക്വേഷൻ നമ്പർ 2. So I will get e raised to minus 80 x of t is equal to integrate equation number 2 with time 0 to t. So integral 0 to t e raised to minus a tau എന്നൊരു ടേം വന്നിരിക്കുകയാണ്. e raised to minus a tau b u tau d tau. Okay, this plus x0. This x0 is just taken as a constant. So integration constant O x0, that constant term plus that constant term will come. This tau is just a dummy variable taken as in place of t. Okay, for representing the integration. So we are applying time 0 to t. So I am taken as a dummy variable tau for this integration purpose. So this equation will become x0, that is the constant term, that is the initial term, x0 plus integral 0 to t e raised to minus a tau b u tau d tau. So this is our equation, e raised to at x of t is equal to this one. So I need the solution of state equation. So for getting this x of t equation, I can multiply this equation number 3, multiply equation 3 with e raised to at, just for eliminating this e raised to at. So I will get x of t is equal to e raised to at x0 plus e raised to at will come here from 0 to t. E raised to at also will come here, e raised to at into e raised to minus a tau b u of tau d tau. This equation will be like this. So I can write e raised to at x0 plus integral limits 0 to t e raised to a into t minus tau, that term into b u of tau d tau. This is the solution of state equation. X of t is equal to e raised to at x0 plus integral 0 to t e raised to a t minus tau b u of tau d tau. So this one is the solution of state equation. And also, if we know this initial time, that is in place of 0, the initial time will be t0 to, if you know the t0, the equation will become x of t is equal to e raised to at x0 plus integral 0 to t. In place of 0 to t, the integral limit will be t0 to t. So we know the initial time. So from t0 to t, we can integrate. Before this 0 to t0, this will be 0 because there is no action. So initial time is t0. So t0 to t e raised to a t minus tau b u of tau d tau. This will be the solution of state equation. here if T0 is known, we can write this solution of state equation like this. Otherwise the solution of state equation will be like this from 0 to t. Okay, got it.